Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the explosion video effect as a transition in CapCut for PC. So for example, I am going to add the images to the tray and I'm just going to add a bag and select the comic and then looking for explosion. Add the track and make it shorter and then just for the position on top between the clip like so, and copy paste and put on top another clip just between the clip, right, like so. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Right, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.